In today's world of technology and innovation, there are almost endless ways to make money with a language model like ChatGPT. With the rise of chatbots and AI-powered systems, many people and organizations are using natural language processing to automate tasks and speed up operations. Although ChatGPT cannot create money on its own, it can be a useful tool for those seeking to acquire wealth and better their financial status. There are many proven techniques for earning money with ChatGPT, such as exploiting its capacity to automate repetitive jobs, data entry, and customer service. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a freelancer, or a salesperson, ChatGPT can assist you in identifying your target audience and crafting effective, engaging messages that resonate with them. Using the power of ChatGPT, you can produce and sell courses, webinars, and publications that share your knowledge and talents, thereby expanding your audience and income streams. Now, I'm going to tell you some good strategies for making money with this amazing tool. But before we begin, please click the bell symbol icon below and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our future videos. Number 1. Start writing articles and blog posts. To make money using ChatGPT, one must concentrate on niches that are in great demand and generate a large amount of traffic. For example, publishing articles and blog posts on niches like technology, health, and money can be quite profitable. Writing articles and blog entries for business or websites that demand regular content updates is another method to earn money with ChatGPT. This may involve creating content optimized for search engines, product reviews, and social media posts. To maximize your revenue, you must have a solid understanding of search engine optimization and promote your articles and blog posts on a regular basis via social media, email marketing, and other online channels. ChatGPT can be a wonderful resource for writers seeking to monetize their writing skills with the appropriate strategy. Number 2. Write an ebook. Writing an ebook is a great way to share your knowledge and expertise with a larger audience while also earning money. Using OpenAI's ChatGPT language model, you can write a compelling and well-structured ebook that will appeal to your intended audience. Choose a topic for your ebook as a starting point. It should be something about which you are knowledgeable and energetic. Once the research is complete, you can begin writing the ebook using ChatGPT. The language model can facilitate the generation of ideas and outlines, the creation of structured chapters and sections, and the composition of engaging and instructive content. As you write, bear in mind your intended audience and personalize the information to their specific interests and needs. Number 3. Be a language translator. To translate different languages, translators were required. Although programs such as Google Translate came out, they were not good enough. Due to its numerous flaws, such as grammatical errors and misunderstanding, it had become a joke. Since ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence model built on the language model, it implies we can translate into various languages, not simply English. By optimizing ChatGPT for a particular language pair, it is possible to translate text from one language to another. It may not be as excellent as a human, but it can confidently be claimed that it is very skilled at this. Number 4. Write newsletters. Writing newsletters is one of the most AI-friendly forms of content creation. ChatGPT may assist in a variety of ways with newsletter writing for earning money. ChatGPT can generate newsletter content quickly and effectively, allowing writers to focus on other duties. This is especially handy for firms that need to send out regular newsletters to their readers. ChatGPT can also enhance the quality and effectiveness of mailing content. Additionally, ChatGPT may aid with the technical components of newsletter writing, including formatting, spelling, and grammatical checks, and picture and graphic generation. This can help to improve the overall appearance and professionalism of newsletters. Overall, ChatGPT might be a helpful resource for email writers wishing to earn money. Number 5. Social media management. ChatGPT can assist individuals and businesses in multiple ways to profit from social media management. First, ChatGPT can aid with the creation and scheduling of social media content. For instance, ChatGPT can produce descriptions, hashtags, and photos that can be utilized to increase the effectiveness of social media posts. Second, ChatGPT can give organizations use data and analytics that enable them to better comprehend their target audience and adjust their content accordingly. It might be a useful tool for people and companies seeking to earn cash through social media management. By assisting with content production, analytics, and automation, ChatGPT may help organizations maximize the effectiveness and efficiency of their social media activities, hence increasing their income. Number 6. Making YouTube Shorts. Every video on YouTube begins with a concept, which must then be translated into content and edited into a video. ChatGPT can assist in generating income from YouTube clips in multiple ways. ChatGPT can produce ideas for YouTube Shorts, thereby assisting content creators in remaining inspired and coming up with fresh, original concepts. ChatGPT can also assist with screenplay writing by offering well-written dialogue and captions that can enhance the video's impact. In addition, it can provide data-driven insights and recommendations that assist content creators in determining the type of material that resonates with their target audience. This can enhance the relevance and appeal of YouTube Shorts, so increasing the possibility of obtaining more subscribers and making more money. Generating money with ChatGPT technology is an exciting new way to monetize online interactions. However, it is important to note that this technology is still in its early stages, and some drawbacks must be taken into consideration. The limitations in terms of language capabilities, human-like interactions, and the potential for misuse must be addressed to truly maximize the potential of ChatGPT technology for generating income. It will be interesting to see how this technology develops and how it can be effectively utilized in the future to create new revenue streams. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel before you go. Thanks for watching.